In landscape photography, there's often a battle between getting the foreground perfect and capturing the sky that you're seeing in the scene, the rich, vibrant blues. I have an original camera raw image here, and I've already begun the correction work on this edited camera raw image. Here's the pre-baked JPEG from the camera, but I'm going to double-click on this shot that already has our overall adjustments made to show you the graduated filter. On the tools across the top in Camera Raw, the graduated filter will let you drag and create a vignette from whatever setting you adjust here on the right, faded to nothing. And here's what I mean. I'll drag from top down to the horizon. And if I move this line, the green is where it starts. Everything above that gets 100% of whatever I apply here. The red is, in essence, 0%. And if I wanted it perfectly straight, I could hold down Shift and it would constrain the values for me. But I'll move this back to the top, keeping Shift down to hold it straight. Then I can adjust the exposure overall, the contrast, the highlights to preserve a little bit more of that detail, the shadows to lighten or darken, add some clarity, and even saturate the sky a bit more. I think I'll go pretty low in this to open it up. And if I go to my hand tool and hit my preview, here is before, here is after. Amazing difference that really helps you get a richer, more vibrant image overall. So I'll hit done there, and I'll come back to a different type of filter that I'll need. This is a radial filter. Again, I run into the situation where the light is just kind of washing out in this image. So it's a TIFF. I will choose File, Open in Camera Raw, and I'll use the radial filter. As I click and drag, it keeps the same settings I had earlier, and I could move the point where it radiates out from and adjust the oval amount, and if I'm outside the image, I can rotate. So it takes a little finagling to get it in the right spot, and I could zoom down with Command minus or Control minus and even offset this a bit more. There we have it. All right, so I will lighten the exposure a little bit on this one, adjust my highlights, see if my shadows need more work, adjust clarity, and I could even sharpen. But if I go to my hand tool and turn preview off and on again, much richer, much more vibrant image. So I will hit done, and those are the two very helpful filters, the graduated filter and the radial filter in Adobe Camera Raw to really let you add some punch to your images.